We're at Cleveland Hopkins and we're headed to Red Lodge, Montana. We have 4 guys in the Bearded Butcher van. They're already almost there. So Scott, myself, all the boys, we're headed to Red Lodge, Montana for Total Archery Challenge. We got a flight to board, so let's go.
Big sky country. I loaded all the luggage. These boys jumped in this van. That's got us the big old van.
Look at the chariot. The chariot awaits.
Let's go.
Let's go to Red Lodge.
Hop in,
Friday morning, we're at Total Archery Challenge, Red Lodge, Montana. We've got the Botex. We're ready to head up the mountain. Let's shoot the course. We're at the top of the mountain. We're shooting the Leopold course. Everybody's here. The gang's here. The Cody Rich with us.
I don't know about that.
The Cody Rich. Ready to shoot?
Yeah, we're gonna shoot.
Let's go. Day 2, TAC, Saturday, Red Lodge, Montana. Check this out. Teton Leather Company, wallet and a gunsling. Francesca from Teton Leather, you got to go check them out. Amazing products, knife sheaths, gunslings, wallets. Go check them out. Incredible U.S. made products. This is beaver tail. We've got some alligator on there. Awesome, awesome work.
I went first innovation I'd seen of this, and then I'll be back here about 1.
What is this?
We got a 12-pound caveman steak the Bearded Butchers brought, seasoned with our bold seasoning, at the 10-inch MKC knife. And we're going to be slicing this guy up, passing out some samples, and it's going to be tender, juicy, and incredible.
Top round, eye of round, bottom round, and then this is the whole round tip, otherwise known as the sirloin tip, and then it's got that femur right in the middle. Yeah, real good.
This is, we call it a caveman steak. Really, it's a round steak, 12 pounds.
With 12 pounds?
Yep.
Watch him work. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah. It's usually you. It's usually me. I don't get to see him in an apron very often. Yeah. Don't be bashful.
Come in behind.
Really, really good time.
As long as it keeps coming back to Red Lodge, they will.
I was my first very hard to find time. Sun's coming up in Billings, Montana. TAC, Red Lodge 2025. That's a wrap. So Scott, myself, the boys, we're headed back to Ohio. We're about to catch a flight. See you back in Ohio.